Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy if you're new here, and today we are going to be playing with some gel matte medium and some modeling paste, and taking these ink sprayed papers that I did the other day and adding some texture and some dimension to them. So let's jump into it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a little bit of playing today. I had showed you all on a previous video these different ink sprays that I had done and used some modeling paste and some gel medium. So I wanted to kind of walk y'all through how I'm doing that. So there's a couple that I've done thus far I wanted to show you. So here's one. Oops, sorry about that, y'all. So here is one where I've taken a stencil. So here is the stencil over here. And this is a Tim Holtz stencil. And I just put the stencil over this little envelope. And then I use one of these little spatulas to scoop out the gel medium, and then I put it on. I just use an old room key card and put it on the end, and then I run the key card over the stencil to get the pattern on there. So let me show you all how I do that. So I've done a couple thus far. Here's another one. And what's really neat about the gel medium is the color that's below kind of soaks up through, and whereas when you're using the modeling paste, that's this here, the modeling paste will stay mostly white, so it'll kind of give you a different look. And then I also took some other of my ink sprayed papers, and so this stencil here is this one, another Tim Holtz one. And again, I just put that gel medium through the stencil. And as it's drying, you can see the oranges and reds coming through. And then here's another one where I plan on cutting these into tags. And so I took this border stencil and just did some different different patterns on here, and then I'll cut these out into tags and then decorate them some more. And this is a Dylusions stencil, and it's kind of fun. And then the last one I've done thus far is this one here, and this is again the oranges and reds. And I took this is another Dylusions stencil. It's a little 4-pack, and you can cut these apart, but I haven't chose to do that yet. And so I took this flower one here, and then I just put this. And so I don't know if I'm going to make these into journaling cards or into small tags. I haven't decided yet. So let me show you all how easy it is to do. So you can find this gel medium I got mine at Michael's, I believe. You can get them anywhere. Amazon, I'll put a link down below. But I like the heavy gel matte, and this brand Golden. It's a good brand. It's not super expensive. And Golden actually might be the Michael's brand. I'm not sure. And that's kind of the consistency of how it looks. And then this is the modeling paste. And so the modeling paste, again, it will kind of stay white. It's a little more opaque, not as transparent, but it's pretty thick as well. And so these aren't very expensive. I can't remember how much they are. This one is definitely a Michael's brand. And the other, it's just a way to add some texture to your projects, right? To your tags and stuff like that. The other cool thing, I'll have to do another video on this, is you can put some of this on your mat, and then you can mix some color with it and kind of change the color of it. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm just going to grab one of my sheets here. I'm going to grab this red one, and let me get these out of the way. And maybe I'll do some bubbles this time. All right, to make sure you all can see that. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to put the stencil down, and then I think I'm going to do the gel medium. So I just scoop some out with my little spatula thingy, and I picked up a set of these at Michael's. It came with I don't know, 5 or 10 different shapes, and it was just a few dollars. It was pretty cheap. And then I just slather it onto my little room key card, and then I just take this, and you can do the whole thing or you can just do a little section. So I think I'm just going to try to do like a section here, a section here, and a section here, and we'll see how that looks. So you just kind of apply it down, and again, it's how little or how much of the stencil you want to add, and then just scrape up the excess. And then I'm going to do a little section over here, and if you need to add some more to your credit card, then you can add a little bit more to your credit card. And then I think I'll do this little section up here. So this adds a little bit of texture, but it doesn't add a ton of bulk, which is nice. And then I just peel it up, and voila, there you go. You can see the pattern there. And so you could cut this out and make it kind of like a journaling card, or you can make these separate. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you quick, little easy how to use the stencils with a gel matte medium or with a modeling paste. Now to clean these off, it's good to go, if you have some baby wipes or some sort of wipes, you can use those to wipe these off. But then it's good to go kind of run them under some soap and water and just kind of keep them a little bit clean. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.